Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover funds from Square, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, gather all relevant information about your Square account. Log into your Square dashboard using your credentials. Navigate to the Transactions section to locate the specific transaction in question. Identify the transaction from which you wish to recover funds. Click on the transaction to see the details and options available. Look for the refund option and select it to initiate the process. Enter the amount you wish to refund, if applicable. Provide a reason for the refund in the designated field. Confirm your refund request and check for a confirmation message. If the refund is not processed, consider reaching out to Square's customer support. Prepare your account details and transaction information for the support team. Visit the Square support page and select the appropriate contact method. Follow the prompts to chat or call a representative. Explain your situation clearly and provide any necessary documentation. Be patient while the support team investigates your request. Wait for a confirmation email regarding the status of your refund. Check your bank account or Square balance for the refunded amount. Keep records of all communications and transaction details for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.